Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to take example of sequence and series progression. We have to find the summation of this, then we have to find box of that gradient function of 5 into s. So first we need to find this summation. So generally when you see a summation or series, it may be either AP, GP or AGP, or the difference is AP or the difference is GP kind of series. But if a series is not in any of the form which we can see that is neither AP, neither GP, neither AGP, so it may lie in the category of telescopic series or VN method. So first of all we will find out the general term. So if you see 9, then the second term is having 13 in the numerator, then 17, 9, 13, 17 is forming an AP whose common difference is 4. So the general term would be A plus n minus 1d, right? Then A is 9 here. 9 plus n minus 1d. So general term would be 4n minus 4, that is 4n plus 5. So this will, the general term TR, the rth term would be 4r plus 5. This is the nth term, so the rth term will be of the numerator is 4r plus 5. Now this term 5 square, then 5 cube, then 5 raised to power 4, one can easily figure out that it is 5 raised to power r plus 1. When for the first term it is 2, for the second term it is 3, for the rth term it will be r plus 1. Then here 2, 3, 4, we can easily say that this term is r plus 1. First term we have, in first term it is 2, in second term it is 3, and then 1, 2, 3, the rth term will have r. So this is our general term. So in VN method we have to split, or in telescopic series we have to split this general term in such a way that it get cancelled with the next immediate or second immediate or third immediate term depending on the question. So if you see, this 4r can be written as 5r plus 5 minus r. This 4r is written as 5r minus r, that is 4r. Because from this we can take 5 as common, and we have 5 here that can get cancelled. So we have written this in this form. Then we will get this. Then take 5 common. This will be r plus 1 minus r, and split the denominator. This will be this, and you can see that r and r is getting cancelled here, and r plus 1 and r plus 1 is getting cancelled here, and 5 is also getting cancelled. So what we get finally is general term will be 1 upon 5 raised to power r into r minus 1 upon 5 raised to power r plus 1 into r plus 1. Now if it is VR, then you can see that it is VR plus 1 is form a perfect telescopic series. Now we have to find out the summation up to infinity. So T1 would be 1 upon 5 raised to power 1, put r equal to 1 here, and this will be 5 square into 2. Then T2 would be this term, cube 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1, 3, up to infinity, right? If we add all of them, we will get the summation up to infinity. So we will not get that last term here, right? So it will start cancelling in this format. and all the first term would remain, and minus will be some the term at the infinity that will be tending to 0. So this is equal to s, because we have to, this is t1 and this is t2, and we have to find the sum of this. There's nothing but s. S is equal to 1 by 5. The 1 by 5 would be the right answer if they have asked only s, about s, but the question is about 5s. So continuing here, if you multiply s with 5, you will get 5 into 1 by 5, that is 1. So generally the student will think that the answer is 5s, that is greatest integer function of 5s, which is the greatest integer of 1, which should be equal to 1, but the answer is not 1, the answer is 0. The reason is that though we did not get the last term, but there will be last term which will get subtracted from 1 by 5. There will be a terms in the end that get subtracted with the 1 by 5. So this is not exactly 1 by 5, it's tending to 1 by 5, but from the left hand side. So it, if you write in mathematical terms, s is not 1 by 5, s is 1 by 5 minus, right? It's something lesser than 1 by 5. So if 5 into 1 by 5 minus, it will be 1 minus, it is something lesser than 1, then the answer will be 0. Yes, right? After using so much of brain, if the student reached to this destination, but there is a twist in the question, that the greatest integer function, so you have to check whether it is tending towards 1, or it is exactly equal to 1, or greater than 1, or less than 1. So many students may get confused and take the wrong answer. This question is relevant for IOQM as well as for the JEE Advanced. Thank you.